welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you some cute brushes, and very affordable, and they're neon, perfect for summer. So if you guys want to see what brushes I'm talking about, just keep on watching. You guys ready? These are so pretty. So this is a 7-piece bright eye kit from MODA. It says excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof silk touch handle, cruelty free, 100% vegan, and it comes with a zip pouch. So this is the 7-piece eye kit. And this one retails for $19.99, but if you use code Diff, you get this for $18. Let me see. If you use code Diff on these, it takes away $1.99 from each. So you'll get it for $18 instead of $19.99. So code Diff, you get these for each for $18 instead of $19.99. So the eye kit comes with a crease brush, SM shader brush, detailed brush, glam topper, fine liner, brow groomer, and zip pouch. And then the 5-piece complete face set comes with round powder, angled blush, angled shader, smudger, and a zip pouch. And these both retail for $19.99. Get them before they're gone because they're so pretty. I'm actually gonna get another pack. Let's actually open up I haven't opened these up, so let's open up the eye. This is the pouch. It's like a holographic see-through. So pretty. Perfect for traveling to take your beautiful brushes. Okay. Oh, these are really light. But they're going to be heavier. Oh my god, these feel so light. So, okay. These are the brushes. Real pretty with the pouch. These are so pretty. Nice and soft. Love the brushes. This is supposed to be for like glitter topper to pack on. We're gonna try. Same pouch. Same size. So pretty. Look at how vibrant they are. Okay, so we're gonna try these out today. So I was doing brows first. Let's put this hair up. I'm gonna use my Avon Anew Hydra Fusion Gel. I love this stuff to hydrate my face. So I'm gonna be using the brow one, which is this pretty neon green. I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown, and I just go along my brow. I don't have a full brow, pretty much. Just shaping it. I always clean it up afterwards. So for today's foundation, I am using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. This foundation has pros and cons. It was so hard to find a shade, but that's a whole nother story. Shade is 700. It's the closest I matched to, so it does get a little darker as it sits. Okay, so with this powder brush, it's a pretty pink powder brush, I'm going to be setting my face with some Jeffree Star's powder in beige. I'm just going to set my face. And then next, I'm going to be using this one, which is the angled blush. But I think I'm going to use this for bronzer. I mean, I can just use this one for blush. And I'm going to be going with Cheek Glitters Pink Squad. This one right here, this palette. I love this palette for everything. It has bronzer, highlighter, blushes. Perfect. And I'm going to be using Hoola to bronze with. Wow. Okay. It blends out so nice. I love this blush. I love this brush. It's so soft. Ooh. Oh, my hair. It like blends out everything so smooth and soft. Okay, next I'm gonna be going with California and Dandelion with my powder brush. Reminds you like it smells like so good. Like the beach. I definitely need double, triple of all these brushes. They're so soft. They blend so, the product's so easy. I love them. The Crease Brush for highlighter. I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna use Tickle. And that same Benefit Cheek Clears for highlight. Is a really pretty highlighter. I thought this was a little fluffier, but it works. I just want to use all the brushes. See that pretty highlight? I'm done with my face. I'm going to be going to the eye kit. Okay, so next we're going to be doing the eyes. And I'm going to be using the Game of Thrones Urban Decay palette, since I haven't used this palette in a while. And then we're going to use some glitters to try the Glam Topper and test that out. And I'm going to be using the Smashbox Bold Glitter Eye Palette that my friend Ariana gave me. Look at how pretty this palette is. All glitters. She knows me so well. So I'll be using that. I haven't touched that, so I'm so excited to use it. I'm gonna zoom into my face so we get closer to the eyes. Come on. Okay, welcome to my eyes. Okay, so the Urban Decay palette, the Game of Thrones Urban Decay palette. Okay, we're gonna do the crease and then right here from the Game of Thrones palette. I am obsessed with these blushes. Why do I keep saying blushes? Brushes. They blend so easy. Like, easy. Okay, so that one's blended. This one right here, which is a detail for the inner crease. Brown it is. Detail brush just right here. This perfect for under the eyes as well. But just see it right here in the crease. Perfect. I'm liking it. This also blended out really nice. This is a detail one. And I like these kind of brushes for under the eyes as well. But we'll wait till the end. And I'm going to be using the small shader brush for the outer corner. Perfect size for the outer V. I'm loving these brushes more and more. Oh, yes. The way they apply makeup, oh my goodness, I'm loving it. I'm obsessing. I actually need to order more before they go out because I never want to run out of these brushes. Don't want them to get ugly or anything. I'm just going over everything to blend everything out. Using the same brushes I used before. Alright, so far we used these 3. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. You do not need that many brushes, but it came in the set, so this is the larger shader brush. There's an angle one. This is also perfect for if you want to do the crease or for the outer corner into the crease. But since I already used a smaller one, don't want to use that one right now. And there's this, has the names on it, smudger. Well, that's perfect for under the eyes as well, or just smudge your liner. And there's an eyeliner brush, perfect. And this is the one I'm excited to try, Glam Topper. And it says, Glam Topper, precisely pack on glitter or metallic shadows for an intense pop of glam. I gotta try this one. The smudger, I'm gonna use that brown I used earlier. These are the shades I was using. This one right here, and then this one right here for the outer. Just smudge it. Cause it's called smudger. Okay, so now for the topper. And we're gonna do blue. Okay, I am gonna go with glitter glue though. So this is the Glam Topper right here. This is what it looks like. It's like a silicone tip. I'm gonna use my Too Faced glitter glue, which is this one right here. I'm just applying that where I want the glitter. I'm going to get this blue one right here. Okay, we're just gonna grab some on. And then apply the glitter. It's easy to apply. Just pack it on. Whoa, I'm loving this. So it's easier. Don't swipe. Just pack on. Like dab, basically. And then for the crease area, I get a little bit and then I just try to like outline where I put the glitter glue. And there you go. That was pretty easy and I don't have to use my fingers to get messy. Oh, and then notice, no fallout. It's like one speck right there, but no freaking fallout. What? Usually when you use glitter, it's like fallout all crazy. Whoa. And then I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'll bring it back. This Glam Topper is so cool. Just pack on the glitter without any fallout, without any getting your fingers dirty. I love this natural but bold the glitter look. For my lips, I'm gonna be going, I'm not sitting down right. For my lips, I'm gonna be going with Dose of Colors, Warm and Fuzzy. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Oh. Oh, such a pretty color. I'll show you guys. They each fit in their own pouches. I wonder if they all fit in one. Pretty sure, but let's see. They all fit in one, so you can put something else in this bag. But these are so cute. The look I created using these new electric sets from MODA brushes. Really pretty. Use code TIFF to get $1.99 off each one, so they can, instead of $19.95, 18 bucks. So I'll leave the link down below to start shopping for your new neon brushes. Now, remember, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad